This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about bamboo steamers, specifically these 2-ounce mini bamboo steamers that are absolutely adorable, right? They are about 3.2 inches in diameter, and you can see each one is a little 2-piece assembly, the bottom and the lid, making for a perfectly functional and absolutely adorable way to both steam or keep food items warm and also to display them. So these are a great option for parties, either with caterers or if you're looking for something yourself because you're throwing your own party and you want to add those little special touches. This is a great way to display apps, things like dim sum, individual dumplings, small portions of rice dish, fish or meats. And so in addition to being able to use them to actually steam and cook items and to keep them warm, they're absolutely adorable for display and to pass them out to guests. So whether you're into throwing parties or you're a caterer or a restaurant, these are one of those items that'll give your food that extra little special touch to wow your guests.